come to the next part that we have to see. The next part is for each loop. When we were studying loops, we have understood that for each loop is used only and only for array. Let us see that. For each loop works only on array. You cannot use it on any other number. It is used to traverse or visit each key value pair in the array. If I want to go and see each and every value, at that time I am going to use for each loop. The syntax, first we will see it for index array. For each, then we have array name, $array name as value, and then double quotes, curly brackets, statement, and closing of curly brackets. This is for index array. Let us see an example for this. So this is the example for each. Doctor HTML, HTML, head, title, close the title, close head, body, H1, heading, angle bracket question mark PHP, beginning of PHP, $ARR, name of array, equal to array function, then the values. Now in the previous example, we were writing echo, echo, echo multiple times for each and every element. Here we don't have to do this. We just use for each. In round brackets we write name of array, in this case $ARR as $value. Okay, so it is going to execute for each and every statement. Then curly brackets, opening curly brackets, echo $value dot and a space. Space is used to separate the values, otherwise they look merged and it will we will think that it is only one number. And then we have closing curly brackets. One important thing over here is for each is one word. They are not two separate words. You have to write them together. Question mark and angle brackets indicating ending of PHP script. These loops are useful when we have values more than 100. We don't have to write the same statement again and again. If we write it once, it is going to execute for all of them. This is already open over here. Array 3, 5, 8, 9. The result does not change over here. It is same that we have used in the previous case. Only difference is rather than printing each and every value separately, we are using it in a loop statement. Okay, so this is about your for each or index. Let us have a look at associated. The syntax for associated. For each, in round brackets, array name as $key equal to angle bracket $element. So here the difference is instead of value you are writing key and the element. You have to write the complete thing. Then curly brackets, statement terminated by semicolon, and closing curly brackets. Let us also see one example related to this. This is the example for associated arrays. Doctor HTML, HTML, head, title, close head, body, H1, angle bracket question mark PHP, beginning of PHP. This is the same array that we have used previously. For each, your name of array as $key, the symbol equal to angle bracket and $element. Okay, so here you have to write key and element. Curly brackets, echo BR for new line, marks in dot key. So this is going to print the value of key. Dot element. This is going to print the value that we have for the element. Closing curly bracket, question mark, and angle bracket for closing PHP. Body equal to this HTML. Let us open this in a browser. This is for each. Okay, so here you can see marks in physics, marks in chemistry. So there is a colon here, that is why it's printed here also. You can change the position of colon. Earlier we were writing the echo statement multiple times. Here, because of loop, we have to write it once. This is very easy when we have hundreds of such marks to be printed. Okay, so this is all about your associated array. The last type of array is multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array is when one single array is holding another subarray. A multi-dimensional array is an array containing one or more arrays. So one array will have more arrays inside that. Yet in PHP, multi-dimensional arrays are also known as array of arrays. PHP can handle multiple levels of multi-dimension. So you can have two-dimensional multi-dimensional array or 3 or 4 also. So let us just have a look at the diagram. So this is our array. In this array we have 3 subarrays, first, second and third. The first one has 2, 7, 9. The second one has 3, 6, 1, and the third one is 7, 4 and 2. We just have to understand these two statements for multi-dimensional array. We don't have any program for this. So these two statements are more than enough for your multi-dimensional array is array containing more than one array. Multi-dimensional array can handle multiple levels of multi-dimension. These are the two statements that are important for you. So this is all about your arrays. Thank you.